So, happy Christmas and welcome to Simon's Simple English. Today we're talking about different vocabulary for Christmas. There are other ways we can say Happy Christmas, actually. We could say Merry Christmas, which means the same as Happy Christmas, to have a good Christmas. We could say Season's Greetings. Season's Greetings. We could say Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Or we could say Happy Xmas. Happy Xmas. Now we're going to look at lots of different Christmas vocabulary, and I'm going to show you lots of pictures so you know exactly what I'm talking about. First, let's talk about Santa Claus. Santa Claus is that man with a big white beard and a hat like this, and he wears a red suit, and he says ho ho ho, Merry Christmas often, and he's the man that's supposed to deliver the presents to the good children. Only the good children get presents on Christmas Eve. The bad children get put on the naughty list and they don't get any presents. So you have to make sure that you behave well, that you're good. And he, on Christmas Eve, he flies around the world in his sleigh, which is pulled by reindeer. And those are the deers with the big antlers. And he stops at all of the houses of the children who have been good. And he comes down the chimney and delivers presents. He also delivers presents to flats and apartments. So children there shouldn't worry as long as they're good. So that is Santa Claus. Other names for him could be Father Christmas, or St. Nicholas, or Christopher Kringle. Next, we're going to talk about Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. As you can see, the Christmas tree is covered in decorations. There are many different types of decorations, and the decorations are there to make the Christmas tree look beautiful and look special. So the first type of decoration is called tinsel, and these are long strands of brightly coloured or shiny material. They look almost like they are furry. Then we have baubles. Baubles are shiny decorations, round shiny decorations, which hang on the tree, but they could hang anywhere. Then there's lights. We have lights for the tree, but we could also have Christmas lights in other places. So Christmas lights might be in a town, or they might be on the front of someone's house. So those are called Christmas lights. On the top of the tree, so at the top, at the very top, you often have a star or an angel. Another type of decoration people often put around their house are bells. And you'll often hear in many Christmas songs they mention bells ringing. For example, jingle bells. This is a Christmas card. A Christmas card is a card that we send to each other to say Merry Christmas. or Happy Christmas. And people often display these on the mantelpiece, which is the area above their fireplace. Underneath the Christmas tree, hopefully, if you're lucky, there are many gifts or many presents. It's traditional at Christmas to give each other gifts or give each other presents. Gifts and presents are the same thing. This is holly. Now, holly is a plant. They've got green spiky leaves, so they can prick you if you hold them too tightly. And they've got red berries, and it's a symbol of Christmas, is holly. Mistletoe. Mistletoe people often hang above their doorways, and there is a tradition with mistletoe that if you see someone under the mistletoe, you're supposed to kiss them, so be careful. Stockings. Here we have stockings. Stockings are what Santa is supposedly or supposed to put the presents in. So you hang your stocking by the fireplace, and if you're good, then Santa comes on Christmas Eve and will leave you presents in your stocking. Next, we have a nativity scene. So a nativity scene you will often see outside a church or in a school or something like that. And that is the scene of when Jesus was born in a stable with Mary and Joseph, and Jesus in a manger, which is for feeding cattle, but they used it as a cot. And there's 3 wise men and some shepherds came to visit him. So this is a nativity scene, which you will often see around. Children also do what are called nativity plays. And these plays are where they act out the birth of Jesus Christ. The Christians believe that the true meaning of Christmas is that Jesus Christ was born on this day, on the 25th of December. So there it is, that's Christmas. Lots of vocabulary about Christmas. I hope you found this useful. Please let me say Happy Christmas to you and a very Happy New Year. Thanks very much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Merry Christmas.